Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and this is the racking. It is finally up and I can get 5 of those boxes widthwise on this one, and then we've still got the view of the sea over there, and then we have this one. Now this has only got 3 across, but I couldn't go too far across because of the radiator. But I'm going to get different boxes to go on this one because they fit, the width of those would fit 4. I probably wouldn't get as the height in all of the spaces, but this is only the first part of it because I'm going to have a seat. I'm a bit exhausted. Gary's done most of it, mind you, but I've been builder's mate, so I've still got all this that needs to go in boxes and all of that needs to go in boxes. There's a big box of yarn there, another big box of yarn at the side of me, and a box there, and then I've got more at home, and I've got some more of these boxes full at home, but I've got more work to do. I mean, it's a shame I can't use all the space because it's such a tall room that I can't use all of it, but I'm too short to, it's going to be hard enough getting stuff off there, to be honest with you. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, when I finally get the rest of it all over here, I can then start putting it in sections, because that there is Robin, and then I've got King Cole there, and over this side, oh man, that hurt to get up, more Robin, King Cole, and the boho spirit and stuff there, more King Cole, tea and kits. But obviously I've got loads more to come over, but we couldn't bring everything at once, and priority was getting the racking up, and then we can make a start on bringing more stuff over and putting it in sections so that it's easier to find. Now I've got space under. That hole underneath is as tall enough to get one of these boxes under there, but the carpet makes it stick so it doesn't slide easy. So if I find something to put on the floor under there, I can slide my boxes in and out. You know, something a bit like this surface, or that's all my boxes out there that this come in. But yeah, I can use it then to slide stuff in and out, so I'll get another 5 along that bottom, or just some boxes that will fit under there and I can put stuff in. So it's coming on. It's coming on. I've missed lots of calls today, and I guess that might be from people about postage. I know I've missed a couple from a wholesaler, or 2 or 3, but I've got lots of Stylecraft. All that up there is Special Aaron. That at the side of it is Batik, I think, and this is the Batik. Those are the swirl, either that or they're King Cole up there. But I've got loads, it goes all the way to the floor, so I do need to get more boxes, more boxes. Honestly, I thought I'd got enough, but obviously not. Anyway, this is just a quick update to show you the room. So here we go, quick scan of the room. Obviously lots of empty shelf spaces, but we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 tall, because I can use the bottom, and that fits 5 across, so that's quite a lot of space. And then I've got that corner, which I will put some things stacked up in the corner. Where that area is there, I'm going to have a table or a desk of some sort. And then over the other side, again, this is the small racking, and again it will take 5 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So that'll be fine. And over the house, I've got, because this is a large racking this side and a small one this side, I've got a medium-sized one to go in the back room over there. I see a ship. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. For some reason I can't zoom anymore. but it is a white ship, so you might not see it. Anyway, just a quick update, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye for now.